Are your emails landing in the spam folder instead of the inbox? Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to improve email deliverability in Brevo step by step. We'll cover sender authentication, contact list quality, email content, sending practices, and campaign monitoring so more of your emails reach your subscribers. First, sign in to your Brevo account and open the sender settings. Verify your sending domain and configure the recommended email authentication records, including SPF, DKIM, and if available, DMARC. These records help mailbox providers recognize your emails as legitimate. Next, review your contact list on a regular basis. Remove inactive subscribers, invalid email addresses, and contacts that repeatedly bounce. Sending emails only to people who have given permission helps build a stronger sender reputation over time. Now take a close look at your email content. Write clear subject lines, avoid excessive capital letters or misleading wording, and provide useful information for your audience. Include a healthy balance of text and images, and always make sure there's a visible unsubscribe link. After that, follow good sending practices. Instead of emailing your entire audience at once, segment your contacts based on their interests or engagement. So send campaigns consistently, avoid sudden spikes in email volume, and gradually increase your sending volume if you're using a new domain. Once your campaign has been sent, review the performance reports. Pay attention to delivery rates, open rates, click rates, bounce rates, spam complaints, and unsubscribe rates. These numbers can help you identify issues before they become bigger problems. Finally, continue testing and optimizing your emails. Try different subject lines, sending times, and email layouts to learn what works best for your audience. Small improvements over time can make a big difference in your inbox placement and campaign performance. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to improve email deliverability in Brevo in 2026. I mean by authenticating your domain, keeping your contact list clean, creating valuable emails, and monitoring your results, you'll improve the chances of your messages reaching the inbox. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Brevo tutorials and email marketing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.